See, my only question with Stephen Hawking, who, you know, wanted to get some underage gawking, I just think, I'm more worried about and curious about what he sounded like when he fucked. Right? Because he had that Siri voice. Like, imagine if he could change his voice for special occasions. Right? Just like, you know how on Waze and Google Maps you can change your navigator's voice? Just change it to an aggressive Indian dude who's like, let me study your contents, my PhD. Pretty handicapped dick, you know what I'm saying?